Okay guys, so I just upgraded. I say upgraded because I took the forks from a Razor Pro Spec that are black. I put them on a Tuttio. In my opinion, I think it looks more better. What do you think? Here we go.
Chrome heart got me kissing on his best friend. Put in work, baby, you could be my best man. Sending cash to my account, he investing. Dark shades on when I'm off the Migos. He's tryna cuff me like a in a Rico. Moving through the like GTA with a cheat code. He claimed that he love me, but before not a freak. I just wanna dance all night. Can't nobody do it just like I. Boy, you got just what I like. Come on, baby, let's kiss, don't fight. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. What you wanna do? Tell me.
And real quick, if y'all are interested in getting your own Tuttio Soliel 01, check down here in the comments. I'll put a link for you guys to get your own Tuttio down there. And also be sure to check out the Voltron Watch library, which I'll link also below, where I have a full review of the Tuttio Soliel 01.